Here I have Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar and find the button hotspot. By tapping it once, you can switch a hotspot. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. You can also switch it here. Here you can change its name. Here you can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. Here you can hide your device. Here you can change its security protocol. Here you can change its password. You can also extend compatibility by turning on 2.4 GHz hotspot. You can also manage connected devices, like you can add allowed devices to whitelist. You can set up device limit, and you can also set up a timeout, basically like after how many minutes of inactivity portable hots will be turned off automatically. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.